Wouldn't it be great if you could merge Google search with an AI-powered chatbot? Imagine searching for an explanation of how a 30-year mortgage works and receiving a short summary instead of having to click through multiple websites. What's even better is that you could choose from a list of additional follow-up questions that most people ask about the topic, such as why a 15-year mortgage is better than a 30-year mortgage. Furthermore, if you had your own unique questions, you could follow up on them without starting a new search. If you wanted to see an example calculation, you could simply ask for it. And at any point, you could reset the Google chatbot to start a new topic. You can do all of that when you enable the chatbot in Google. When it is enabled, you will see it marked underneath the search box on the Google main page. Before I show you how to enable it on your Google search page, let's see if it's better than the default search option by comparing them side by side. On the left, we have our default Google search engine, and on the right, we have the AI-powered search. Let's search for how to apply to college and run it through both search engines. What's the difference between the two results? The AI-powered search provides a much longer summary which shows more options, along with a list of typical questions you can ask as follow-ups. Right beneath it, you will find the default search results you get when you're using the default Google search engine. With the AI-powered search, you don't lose the regular organic results. Instead, you get the AI-powered summary at the top, which you can choose to utilize or not. When you compare the organic results for both, they are identical, but the presentation is slightly different. There are featured snippets at the top, then people also ask section and organic results. Notice that the website titles are in black in the AI-powered search, while they appear in the standard blue on the left. Visually, I prefer the black presentation, but the blue is what people expect as links. Now let's go back to our AI-powered results at the top and ask some additional questions. I'm going to start with, when should I start my college application? I like having suggested follow-up questions that I can choose from, so I don't have to come up with them myself, and I don't have to type. I also appreciate the short summary that answers my question. It's less work than going through multiple sources and articles to find a quick answer. It saves me time. Now, I can select additional follow-up questions or ask my very own question, such as, is a GPA of 3.2 good? Notice how the chatbot rephrased the follow-up questions for the search to, is a GPA of 3.2 good for college? So you can see that the additional questions works on top of the previous question. Another thing I really like is being able to see all the questions I've asked about the topic along with the summaries and go back to the beginning if needed. I don't lose all the research I've already done. Instead, I can build on it. Now, sometimes when you search for something, the results won't be much different from the default results, but you can click the Converse button at the top left to see an AI-powered results. One cool thing is that if you want a summary of steps or bullet point instructions, you can ask the chatbot to present it that way for you. For simple matters, I personally don't like reading long paragraphs describing how to do something. I want information straight to the point, and the chatbot does a great job with that. However, there are certain topics that can have a significant impact on a person's future, health, finances, and safety. Google refers to these as your money or your life content, and chatbot rarely provides advice on such topics. For example, if you're searching for tax information or asking for stock picks, in these cases the results are going to be the same as with the default Google search. Additionally, sometimes you may receive results, but then you have a disclaimer saying, this is not professional financial advice, consult a financial advisor, etc. Another useful feature of the chatbot is that it can suggest products related to solving your questions. For instance, if you search for how to fix a leaking faucet, you can also ask for what tools do I need to fix it? And the chatbot will provide product recommendations. Now that we have seen a few benefits of the AI-powered search, let's enable it for your Google search. Go to the main page, google.com, and check if you see a Search Lab icon in the top right corner next to your profile picture. Click on it and enable the Search Generative Experience (SGE) option. If you don't find that option on the main google.com page, you can visit labs.withgoogle.com and scroll down to find Google search option. Click on Join Waitlist and enable the SGE option that way. Thanks so much for watching.